Hello YouTube, Tristan Taylor here. Today I'm going to be unwrapping this copy of what you should know about your Power Stroke diesel engine or 4x4 shift on the fly system. So yeah, you can read the back here, and or so you can have both, one or the other. So let me get my knife. Where's my knife? I should just go get my multi-tool. Just as a knife. Right. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Just fold the wires back in. See here? So I'll just make an incision. Let me tilt this down a bit. A little bit. So we'll just. This is unopened, by the way. Just say, obviously. Now, clean. Congratulations. Stuff is old, man. So yes, it's a VHS tape. I have a VCR over there in my hi-fi stack. That silver thing on the bottom there. So now I'll just attempt to take it out of its box. This is very delicate paper. There it is. This is not a very long tape, as you can see there. Of course, it's never been played because it's never been opened. So yeah, that's not a very long tape. I'll probably put it in and watch it later. It's wet inside. Moldy. Tape have mold? Ooh dear, it has mold. That's unfortunate. Yeesh. Okay, well, I'll have to fix that later. Did not expect that. Oh, it just smells moldy. Ugh. Okay. Well, that's that. I want to thank you guys for watching. Peace out.